Honours even, fair score?
Yeah, draw's probably a fair result. Brad's had a good chance there, but I think we've conceded 2 sloppy goals, but I think overall it's probably a fair result, yeah.
I should think they'd say the same thing, though, that they conceded 2 sloppy goals and Phil Mooney scored both of them.
Yeah, of course, but I was in the box, it's right place, right time, so we'll take that all day.
And how many goals you scored now this season?
I think I'm on 6 or 7, something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, not bad really.
Not bad for a centre-back.
Yeah.
And you're up there for that purpose, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly, yeah, so yeah, not bad.
Into the top 6, how do you see the rest of the season going?
Made a few good signings, so we'll push on now, yeah. Hopefully, the goal's for second place really, but yeah, we'll see what happens in the second half of the season.
Rich, cynlluniau teg yn diwedd?
Oedd dwi'n meddwl. Dos y cyfan oedd hi'n gêm dda i'r niwtral swn i ddweud i watchad. Dau dîm yn trio chwarae. Dau dîm yn chwarae ffwbol da ar y degau. Da ni really disappointed efo'r gols da ni wedi concedio. Mae bod y themes di bod trwy season ni, di teams yn gorau gweithio yn galad. Mae'r cross yn dod o fewn gen Connor, mae'n gorau bod y well. A wedyn, mae'n jyst rhy hawdd iddyn nhw, wedyn 2 bas am nhw fewn. A mae'r ail gol, mae'n just bwnsio mynd syth i fewn. Mae rai ni fod y well yna.
If we were ruthless tonight, I think we could have probably taken the game away when it was 2-1, but it wasn't to be. Wasn't to be because Connor Roberts is a good goalkeeper. It wasn't to be because we were quite wasteful in that final moment. And then when they've got bodies that they can get into the box from set plays and long throws and load in the box, they're always dangerous. So something we try to work on to try and stop them. We have to stop people moving and getting into our box and getting anywhere near our 6-yard box. That wasn't to be. But yeah, like I said, probably a fair result tonight.
Hanner cynta'r tymor wedi mynd. Mae'r ail hanner o'n blaenau ni, be di'r gobeithion?
Wel, da ni dal yn y Welsh Cup, a mae i gyd am chwarae. Be mae bod yn y 6 ucha wneud ydy guaranteed play-off. A da ni wedi gwneud rei da yn hwnna yn y 2 flynedd dwytha. So, ia, nath o ddeud, mae yna lot i chwarae am, so gobeithio cael, nath o ddeud, pawb yn ffit o a wedyn gweld beth allan ni'n wneud.
The expectation has to be to try and finish as high as we possibly can. And, we've got 10 games. Our points tally will say that we get 2 points a game. If we can get 2 points a game from them last 10, I'll be absolutely delighted. But the expectation is, and the reality is, that we've just got to try and take the first game of the split when we find out what that is and try and win that game, and then we move forward from there.